Hello, today in front of me I have Motorola Moto E40 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show the top 3 applications for this device. Alrighty, let's go ahead and start. The first app is called Notify Buddy, and what it helps you to do is to install custom, different, very beautiful and joyful custom, as I've mentioned already, LED notifications. So we'll need to grant a couple of permissions to it, like overlay permission, for example, as well as the notification permission. And when it comes to the battery optimization, it is optional, as you can see, so we can simply skip that. Alrighty, so the first section of this app, as you can see there are 4 of them, contains all the apps that are both installed on our smartphone and available for the custom LED notification setup. So in here, I'll, for example, make it so that the caffeine app will send me this LED notifications, and once tapping on this right facing arrow, I'll be able to choose the color for this LED notifications, for this LED notification. And if I were to buy the premium version of this app, I would be also able to choose the custom shape for it as well. As you can see, there are plenty of very cool and various shapes. The next section, as you can see, will contain various system commands and system stuff that you can also set the custom LED notifications for, so you can play with it as well. The third section, called Active, contains the list of anything that we have enabled those LED notifications for. In my case, I did it only for the caffeine, therefore it only shows the caffeine, so I guess it works just fine. And the final tab, so let me skip this advertisement real quick. The final tab is Settings, and it allows you to configure some of the options and characteristics for your LED lights, for your LED notifications. And as you can see, plenty of configurations and settings to play with. The most interesting thing is this test button, which allows us to test out the notifications that we have gone for and see how, or should I say, what it will look like exactly. Alrighty, so that will be it as far as the Notify Buddy app goes. Next we have the Caffeine app. This little tool allows you to set custom screen timeout values. So by default, this device allows you to set no more than 30 minutes, but in here you can set the variable, the 1 hour, as well as infinite. A very simple yet useful app for you to have. And the third and final app for this video is called Stick Around. Basically, this little app is designed for checking whether any particular movie has any hidden scenes, either during or after the credits. So this app consists, of course, from 2 sections: in theaters and search. So in theaters, page will provide you with posters of the movies that are currently live at cinemas, at the movie theaters. Therefore, you can directly check whether, for example, the new Minions cartoon has the hidden scenes. As you can see, it shows that after the credits there are nothing, but it contains some interesting Easter egg during the credits that is worth staying for. And when it comes to the search page, you can simply type in the name of the film that you would like to check those data for. For example, I'll check the Dune 2021 movie, and unfortunately this film do not have neither after nor during the credit scenes. Alrighty, so that will be it not only for the Stick Around app, but for this video in general. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.